I have a sense of awe when I come to Winterhome. It was my first year at Garden Marlborough that I first met this garden. So arriving here, my head kind of fell off my shoulders, to be honest.
The gardening side of our life really started after our fourth child, a daughter, was born. That's about 38 years ago, and then Sue, who was a real worker, she, with the aid of an aerial photograph, sat on her desk with a ruler and a pencil and drew a plan for a garden.
She wasn't a garden designer. She wasn't formally trained. She was a creative person who found her perfect outlet.
Express yourself, really. Well, don't be afraid to experiment. What's perfect in a garden situation? Every garden is so different. So, what appeals to one person may not appeal to another.